I love to take care of myself a lot. As you can see, I'm fresh. I eat good food, take proper care of my skin from dust and sweat, have my bath as much as possible. The lovely soothing relief of fresh breath because I wash my teeth daily and my teeth shining white. People often admire me for my beauty and many times commend for my glowing appearance always. I am already above 20 and yet many people think I am just a teenager. Do you know why? Because I maintain my body and I also indulge in proper hygiene. Now, did you know that even computers need to be maintained to keep functioning properly and to last long? If you don't maintain your computer, it will retain dust and debris, get dirty, wear out, and in a short time starts malfunctioning until it packs up one day unexpectedly. So what is computer maintenance? Computer maintenance is the practice of keeping computers in a good state for it to function properly. So in today's lesson, we have learned about the maintenance of computers. I believe you enjoy the class and I'll teach you more about maintaining your computer in the next lesson. Bye for now.